Technical what else they would take. Politically they can't. The issue is not Maharashtra. The issue is the credibility of the opposition parties who try to gobble up and be united. There are so much of contradictions and they don't have confidence in each other. There is so much of misbelief and it's a non-starter. So each one component of opposition now will break away in the similar way. Because one is readerless and rudderless also, no programs and nothing can unite them. So the active politicians of different sections of the party, like Ajit Pawar, are very well know the future. So they have come out and joined BJP where there is a hope, there is a leadership and there is a future of the country.
Sir, SIT has been formed to investigate against Bitcoin scams.
Yeah, that is the only way they can do because there was problem with two agencies, COD and CCB. That's why SIT has been done and we welcome that.